Hey everybody, well I got an update here on the Shark vacuum. Here's the Shark vacuum here that I found in the trash. If you guys notice right there, I was finally able to clean the rest of it up. Did the best I could. I took some dishwashing detergent and a scrub brush and cleaned that all up. And it's a pretty peculiar way of taking these things apart. I'll show you. There's a screw here, screw there, screw there, screw there, 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 and these wheels here kind of flip up kind of like this, sticking straight up. There's a screw there, same thing there, and you undo this little trap and there's a screw in there. And what I find interesting is it's those like hex bolts or Torx bolts. I get them confused. It's the ones with the little dimple in the middle of it, so you gotta get a special tool. I'll show you guys. Went to the hardware store to get this tool, and if you guys can see, that's the kind of tool you'll need to work on something like this. And here's my regular one for comparison. So why companies gotta use tools like this with a little dimple in it and not regular bolts for like this or like a regular screw like a Phillips or a flathead, I don't know. But if you ever want to take one of these things apart, remember there's a screw here, there, 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 under the wheel there, here, under the wheel here, and you undo this little trap and there's a screw there. And that's how I was able to clean it up. It looks a little used now because I just used it like an hour or two ago. So, but yeah, other than that, she still runs like brand new. Well, everyone, that's all for now. I'll talk to y'all later.